Hey everybody, AutoPilot, AutoSteer, traffic aware cruise control, and auto lane change is doing well here in DC Beltway traffic in the rain. I don't think it gets much more difficult than this. And look at this curvy road we're on here. Outside Bethesda, heading towards Silver Spring. It's doing well. Really, it doesn't get much more difficult than this. See that wheel turn. See how it handles this curve. Doing a good job. Let's see that wheel as we go into the curve. Turn the wheel. Turn to the left. I got to give it a little tug every once in a while. It's going by itself. We're in the curve. Good job, Tesla, so far. Haven't hit anyone.